Hi guys, this is Thrifty Mama Scraps again, here to show you a different way that you can use your stash in a thrifty way. I received this in a Freckled Fawn blooper bundle at the beginning of last year. It's cute, I like it, but I received a lot of them. And if you're anything like me, I can only do so many pages with the same embellishment. So this time I decided to alter it in a different way so I could use it and make it more versatile for many different layouts. So one way that I used it is I colored it with a black Sharpie marker, put some glitter on it and some Week of Stella and a sticker, and I made it into a black banner for my December daily album. Another thing that I did was I cut it up. And you can use the 1 and the 0 and the 7 and the 2 separately. I also cut the letter or the numbers out separate individually. And you can use it that way as well. I made some little chevron arrow pieces and some border strips. I also made some little tiny embellishments that you could use in place of enamel dots. Some little triangles and some squares. So there's many different versatile ways that you could use this in your scrapbooking. I don't like to get rid of stuff. I'm kind of a pack rat when it comes to my scrapbook stuff, but I don't like it to sit in my stash either. I like to use it up. So why not change things to make it work for you? Now I had a lot of leftovers after I made this, and as you can see in this cup, there's quite a bit of leftovers. So I thought, what can I do with these leftovers? Well, I can either use these as triangles and different shapes, or I can use them on the back of another embellishment to help lift it up, kind of like a pop dot. So like if I have this cloud and I wanted to lift it up on my embellishment, no one could tell that that is not a pop dot. You would just put adhesive on either side and then glue it down. So these are different ways that you can use this type of an embellishment or other large embellishments that you're not going to use otherwise. They might be sitting in your stash for a really long time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll join me back here for other thrifty ideas, how you can make your stash more versatile in a thrifty way. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.